Good morning, dear students. The next topic we move on to algae. Algae are one of the universally occurring plant groups in all types of habitats. And the distribution of algae is mainly focused on they are mostly aquatic. They are live in photic zone, either fresh or marine water, and presence of a photosynthetic pigment. Hence, they are autotrophs. Major forms are found in planktonic algae. These are free floating or free swimming algae. Some are benthic. Benthic are attached and living on the bottom of water. And some are epiphytes, live on another plant or another algae. Some are lithophytes, grow attached to rocks. And the major characteristics found in algae are they range in size from microscopic to single-celled organisms to large seaweed. They are mainly autotrophic because the presence of photosynthetic pigment. From the reproductive structures are mainly found in algae are gametangia or gamete chambers. They are mostly aquatic and have flagella at some point in life. Often contain pyrenoids, a specialized cellular organelles that synthesis and store starch. And phycology means the study of algae is known as phycology or algology. The term algae includes chlorophyllous thallophytes. And the classification of algae is based on pigmentation, reserve food, flagellar arrangement, thallus organization and reproduction. And W.H. Harvey classified in 1836 based on their color. They are mainly divided into three groups. They are Chlorospermiae, those are green algae, Melanospermiae, brown algae, and Rhodospermiae, red algae. And the modern trends in classification has put forward by Fritsch in 1935 from the famous book Structure and Reproduction of Algae. According to this system of classification, algae are grouped into 7 to 11 major categories. The features upon which classification is based are pigments, reserve food and flagellation. Like all plants, the algae are classified in accordance with the recommendations and prescriptions of the ICBN, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. And the 11 classes are Chlorophyceae, Xanthophyceae, Chrysophyceae, Basilarioophyceae, Cryptophyceae, Dinophyceae and Chloromonidae. And the Chlorophyceae class comprises green algae containing chloroplast with pigments chlorophyll A and B, carotenoids and xanthophylls. Chloroplast has pyrenoids with aggregates of starch as food reserve. The cell wall is cellulosic with equal sized flagella. Reproduction of the members is by vegetative, asexual and sexual methods. The examples of Chlorophyceae are Spirogyra, Chlorella, Acetabularia, Edagonium, Cara, etc. And the next is the Xanthophyceae. Xanthophyceae is known as the yellow-green algae. that are containing chloroplasts with the pigments chlorophyll A, E, beta carotenes and xanthophylls. The cell wall is composed of pectic and cellulose material and food reservoir is oil. Cells are eukaryotic with unequal sized flagella. Reproduction of members is by vegetative, asexual and sexual methods. Example, Vaucheria. The class Chrysophaceae, next is the brown or orange algae. These have phycochrysin pigment which contain chlorophyll A, C and beta carotenes. The chromatophores have naked pyrenoid-like bodies with chrysolaminarin and leucosin as reserve food. Cell wall is calcified non-cellulosic. The motile cells have two anterior equal or unequal flagella. Reproduction by means of vegetative asexual methods and rarely isogamous sexual reproduction occurs. Example is Malomonas, Ochromonas. And the next class is class Chrysophaceae. Include next is Basilorophytes. These are comprises diatom which have golden brown pigments due to dictoxanthin, fucoxanthin and diadenoxanthin. The chromatophores have pyrenoids and reserve food is fat and volatil. The cells are bilaterally symmetrical. The wall is pectic and calcified and variously ornamented. Sexual reproduction is by auxospore or gamete formation. There are mainly two orders as centrals and pennals. Example, Pinnularia. And the next class is class Cryptophyceae. These include brownish red algae. These have the pigment xanthophyll. The pyrenoid-like bodies are also present. Reserve food is stored as starch or oil. Motile cells have unequal flagella. Sexual reproduction is rare. The next is the Dinophyceae. Comprises brownish red algae. Their characteristic color is due to the discoid chromatophores containing xanthophylls. The cell wall is cellulosic and food reserve is starch and fat. Many are saprophytic with holozoic nutrition. Sexual reproduction is rare. And the next class is class Chloromonadinae. They have numerous discoid chromatophores with bright green tint due to the presence of xanthophyll. Fat or oil is the reserve food material and pyrenoids are absent. Reproduction is by vegetative multiplication. And the next class is class Euglenidae. It consists of highly specialized flagella. With many chromatophores and pyrenoid-like bodies. The main pigment is chlorophyll and the photosynthetic product is paramylon. There are two flagella rising from canal-like invagination at the anterior end. It has a complex vascular system. Multiplication is by simple division and sexual reproduction is also rare. There are three orders, Euglenidae, Asteraceae and Paranimaceae. And the next ninth class is class Phaeophyceae. And the Phaeophyceae includes brown algae. The chloroplasts contain fucoxanthin. Food reserve is in the form of mannitol, laminarin starch and fat. The cell wall is composed of cellulose with alginic and fucinic acid. Sexual reproduction may be isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. Example, Sargassum, Nereocystis. And the 10th class is the class Rhodophyceae. It comprises red algae with chromatophores containing phycoerythrin, phycocyanin along with chlorophyll A and D. Food reserve is Floridian starch, cell wall is pectic and cellulosic. Sexual reproduction is of oogamous type, example Polysiphonia. And the last 11th class is the Myxophyceae, consists of blue-green algae characterized by the presence of rudimentary nucleus and primitive chromatophores. Because these are present but rudimentary in action. Pigments are chlorophyll A, beta-carotene and phycocyanin. The cell wall is made of mucopolymers and food reserve is cyanophycean starch. Sexual reproduction is absent and asexual reproduction by Hormogonia or actinids. So, these are the 11 class and its characteristic features. So, we have to combine the features of the 11 classes based on pigment, stored food, thallus structure, etc. And move on the next is thallus organization or morphology. The plant body of algae is known as thallus because the plant body is not differentiated into stem, root and leaves. There are mainly divided into two types of thallus in algae. The thallus is the vegetative body of algae. The morphology of thallus varies greatly among the different groups of algae. The size ranges from 1 micron to several meters. Several meters are present in the giant kelps in marine algae. And the colonial forms are developed by aggregation of cells within the mucilage. Multicellular types are formed by cell division without separation of cells. There are filamentous forms, parenchymatous form, siphonaceous form, etc. are the major divisional forms found in algae. Mainly, the thallus organization is divided into two, unicellular thallus and multicellular thallus. The unicellular thallus are major features are absent in Charophyta and Phaeophyta. So the unicellular thallus structure, these structures are absent in Charophyta and Phaeophyta. Phaeophyta groups are the brown algae and the Charophyta groups are the brown or orange algae. And these thallus are maybe motile flagellate. Example is the Chlamydomonas. Some are non-motile coccoid. They are chlorella. Some are amoeboid shape. Some are filamentous thallus and some have filamentous maybe branched. But in the case of multicellular thallus, there are four main types of multicellular thallus found in algae. They are colonial form, filamentous form, siphonous form and parenchymatous form. And in the colonial form, cell division adds huge masses. There are mainly three types of colonial forms are present in algae. They are the palmelloid. These are found in the Tetraspora microcystis and the Cenobium, example Volvox, Pandorina, and the dendroid type, example Dinobrion. And in filamentous forms are found in multi-celled thread-like structures. There are mainly three types of filamentous forms. One is the simple branched filamentous, example Cladophora. And the another one is unbranched filamentous, example Spirogyra, Eulothrix. And third one is the heterotrichous filamentous, example Ectocarpus. These are the pictures showing thallus organization in algae. The first one is the Edagonium. Edagonium is the example of unicellular type. Thallus may be unbranched like Spirogyra. In Edagonium, the thallus may be unbranched like Spirogyra. And the next is the another branched Fritilia, unbranched Ulva, and the Ficus, Sargassum. These are the some thallus organizational form in algae. And this is the unicellular Chlamydomonas, and this is the Spirogyra. The Spirogyra are unbranched, and the Volvox is the colonial form, and the Cladophora. These are the major forms in algae. This is the thallus structure. In siphonous form, mainly found in cenocytic multinucleate thallus. They lack septation. Septa develop only during formation of sexual part. Example, Protosiphon Poucheria. And the parenchymatous forms, modification of filamentous form is the parenchymatous. It's a leaf-like or foliage thallus, loosely arranged cells. Example, Sargassum, Ulva, Enteromorpha. In Sargassum or Ulva, the thallus is leaf-like or foliage thallus, loosely arranged cells. And these are the colonial form. These are the large kelps, high is the ranging from large size under present in the marine waters. And this is the unicellular and colonial unbranched, branched is the example of different types of algae. And the reproduction in algae, the production of organisms is three kinds, mainly vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation or by the formation of adventitious branches. And the sexual reproduction takes place by spores like zoospores, naked, flagellated, and motile. Example, Chlamydomonas. And some are produces aplanospores. Aplanospores are thin-walled and non-motile structures. Example, present in Chlorella. And actinids are thick-walled, non-motile, is found in the Pictophora. The sexual reproduction by means of fusion of two gametes. The major forms in sexual reproduction in algae are homothallic, and also another one is the heterothallic. In homothallic condition, fusing gametes belong to same thallus. But in heterothallic condition, fusing gametes belong to different thalli. And this is the picture showing the reproduction in algae. The first one is the fragmentation in Spirogyra, the asexual reproduction. The second one is the sexual reproduction found in Cladophora. These are the zoospore formation in Cladophora. And next is the isogamy. It's the fusion of similar gametes. So, isogamy. These are the reproductive structures or process in algae. And the classification chart is the combined classification chart. The 11 classes are listed and the presence of their pigments and the types of flagella and the reserved food materials. On the basis of this differences, the 11 classes are listed and their pigments, flagella and the reserved food is seen from the table. And the major expected questions from this portion is what are the major photosynthetic pigments present in algae? We are all known that algae are photosynthetic plants with various types of plastids containing diverse type of pigment combination. നമുക്കറിയാം ഇവർ ഫോട്ടോസിന്തറ്റിക് പ്ലാന്റ്സ് ആണ്. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ഇവരുടെ സെൽസിൽ പല ടൈപ്പിലുള്ള പ്ലാസ്റ്റിഡ്സ്, നമുക്കറിയാം പ്ലാസ്റ്റിഡ്സ് ക്ലോറോഫിൽ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന പ്ലാസ്റ്റിഡ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. അതിനകത്ത് പല തരത്തിൽ കോമ്പിനേഷൻസ് വരുന്ന പിഗ്മെൻറ്റ് കോമ്പിനേഷൻസ് കാണപ്പെടുന്നുണ്ട്. കോമ്പിനേഷൻ ഓഫ് പിഗ്മെൻറ്റ് ഈസ് സ്പെസിഫിക് ഇൻ ഈച്ച് ക്ലാസ്. The pigments are present in either on membranous lamellae or a plastid. For example, the members of Cyanophyceae have a blue-green cyanophycean pigment present on the lamellae. There are the major pigments present in the algae are chlorophylls. We clearly seen from this table, chlorophyll, xanthophyll, somehow carotins and phycobilins, etc. And the chlorophylls are, major chlorophylls are found in the algae are 5 types. They are chlorophyll A, B, C, D and E. Of these, chlorophyll A is present in all groups of algae. We can easily identify from this table. Chlorophyll A is present in the all types of 11 classes of algae. Chlorophyll B only in Chlorophyceae. Yes, chlorophyll B is present only in the chlorophyll B is present only in the Chlorophyceae. So in Chlorophyceae, chlorophyll A is only present. And in Eublenophyceae, chlorophyll C is largely in marine algae, Phaeophyceae, Basilorophyceae and Chrysophyceae. Chlorophyll D in Rhodophyceae and E in Xanthophyceae such as Vaucheria. So these are the major photosynthetic pigment classification in algae. And some pigments are very important combined with chlorophyll. അപ്പോൾ ക്ലോറോഫില്ലിനോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ നമ്മൾ ഈ പറഞ്ഞ 5 ക്ലാസ് ക്ലോറോഫില്ലാണ് ഉള്ളത്. എ, ബി, സി, ഡി ആൻഡ് ഇ. ഇതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ കോമ്പിനേഷനായിട്ട് ചില ക്ലോറോ പിഗ്മെൻറ്റ്സും കൂടെ നമ്മൾ ഈ ചില ഗ്രൂപ്പുകളിൽ നമ്മൾ കാണപ്പെട്ടു. അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ മേജറായിട്ട് പറയുന്നത് സാന്തോഫിൽ. സാന്തോഫിൽസ് ആർ മോർ ദാൻ 20 ടൈപ്സ്. അതിൽ മോർ ദാൻ 20 ടൈപ്സ് ആണുള്ളത്. മെനി സാന്തോഫിൽസ് ആർ സീൻ ഇൻ ഹയർ പ്ലാന്റ്സ് ആസ് പ്രസൻറ്റ് ഇൻ ദ ഫോം സച്ച് ആസ് ല്യൂട്ടീൻ, violaxanthin and nucosanthin. They are mainly present in the Chlorophyceae and Phaeophyceae. Fucosanthin is the main pigment in Phaeophyceae and diatoms. Next is the carotene. Carotene are of 5 types in algae. There are alpha carotene present in Chlorophyceae, Cryptophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Beta carotene in all algal groups except Cryptophyceae. C carotene in Chlorophyceae, E carotene in Basilorophyceae, Cryptophyceae and Phaeophysae, Flavaceae in Cyanophysae. And the next is the phycobilin are water soluble protein complexes which may be red or blue light harvesting pigment along with chlorophyll. So chloroplast in green algae are variously shaped. In unicellular forms have cup shaped chloroplast. Example is the Chlamydomonas. And some are present discoid shape, example Ochreria. And in some species